Alright, hey everybody, Joe from NCP Mun Outdoors, back out at my hunting property, doing again some more scouting right before turkey season. I can't wait to get out here. While I'm out here again, I'm going to cook another meal in my Pathfinder Pack Stove series. So this is going to be episode 9. So what I have today is I have some Knorr buffalo chicken flavored. This is spiral pasta in a creamy buffalo chicken flavored sauce. So I'm going to cook this here. I've got a can of chicken to add to it, and then I've got a little packet of the Chick-fil-A zesty buffalo sauce, which I'm going to add to give it some extra kick. So I'm going to try to cook this all again in my military mess kit. So you've seen me use this in a lot of these couple videos. I just got this not too long ago, so I really want to try to use it as much as I possibly can and try to cook different things with it. So we're going to try to cook some noodles and some chicken. So let's go see. I'm going to get the pack stove set up and kind of let's see how this is all going to play out. So stay tuned. Alright, so let's go ahead and get the pack stove open here and unpacked. I just absolutely love this stove. It's so convenient, you know, so easy to put together, no real hassle. It's just great. It's also great if I take on a scout. I can just throw it in the back with a canister of fuel. I don't even have to use a big one like this. I can use a smaller one. This is easy if I'm just going to cook a quick meal. So I really like it a lot. But for now, we've got this screwed in there. Pop the cap off the fuel canister. We'll make sure that the valve is off so it doesn't shoot out some fuel. And then we'll go ahead and get this on. I'm trying to just get it hand tight. It's usually good. Alright, I'll extend the legs again because the larger kind of pan that comes with the mess kit, I want to make sure I have enough area on there to keep it steady. Alright, there's my plate. I'm going to use my GI mess kit utensils with this today. Alright, so now what am I going to do? Let's I'm going to first, I'm going to open up the can of chicken and get that in the pan here. I'm not going to drain it like I normally do just because I need the moisture for the noodles and stuff. So I want to make sure I can cook it so that they get soft. I really don't want them, well, they're okay if they're al dente, but I definitely don't want, I want to make sure the pasta is actually cooked. So, okay, the garbage always goes in our garbage bag. We won't leave it here at the property ever. All right. Now, you know, it wants you to add milk, add a little tablespoon of margarine. I'm not going to have all that with me because I ran out of my powdered milk that I got when my wife was in Europe. So I'm just going to try to pour this in like this. Put this here. Over there. All right, and then I'm just going to add some water with my Pathfinder canteen. Here, let me take it out of my canteen cook set. I'm just going to use my Pathfinder canteen. Add some water to this. I'm going to try to fill it pretty good. I definitely want those noodles cooked. Put that back. Alright. Stir this up a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to use my mess kit plate as my holder for my utensils. I'll look this up carefully. We're going to get this on the stove. I'm going to turn it on. We're going to light it. There we go. I'm going to turn it down as low as I can because I want it to boil, yes, and I want it to cook the noodles, but I don't want it to burn. And it's not too windy today, so we're just going to go ahead and kind of let that boil. So let me bring you back when the water's kind of boiling and I can show you so the noodles are starting to cook. And yeah, we'll just bring you right back then. So stay tuned. All right, so I'm going to move the camera right now so you can kind of get a better look right there, and you can see that the it's starting to boil. I've got it turned down low, but the buffalo chicken spirals there. That water's starting to boil, so it hit temperature. So I'm just going to turn it down a little bit more. I'm going to put the camera back down here so you can see. Because again, I don't want it to overflow and over the edge, and I don't want it to burn. The problem with these GI mess kits is that it's a thinner stainless steel, so sometimes, depending on what you're putting in there, as soon as you turn on that gas from these stoves, it gets super hot. Oh. Alright, it's still on. Still on, so that's good. But, you know, again, as I was saying, it's so thin that when you even use a stove like this, it kind of heats and burns stuff in the pan really quick, so you got to pay attention to it. I'm really hoping that Pathfinder would come out with a heavier gauge stainless steel in this mess kit, but I haven't seen it yet, so we'll see. Turn it down just a touch. I'm just going to gently stir with my spoon. The noodles are still hard, so I still got some work to do there, and as it gets heated, that liquid there will burn off a little bit, so it'll become a little bit thicker. So alright, so I'm going to go ahead and let this continue to simmer, and then when we're ready to give it a taste test and it's done, I'll bring you right back. So stay. Alright, as you can see from the, it's a nice simmer, and those noodles are starting to absorb all that liquid, so that liquid definitely is going down, because now you can see more of the noodles in the chicken. So I'm thinking those noodles are almost done, but we're going to go ahead and let them simmer for a little bit more, and then I'll test the noodle and make sure it's done, and then we'll come back and give it a taste test. So stay tuned. Alright everybody, so I think it's burned off enough of the liquid. Noodles look done, and I don't want it to start burning, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this off and then kind of show you what that looks like. So man, that looks absolutely delicious here. You can see that. Man, that is the buffalo chicken noodles from Knorr with a can of chicken. Let's go ahead and give this a taste test and see how it is. Test the noodles first. Okay, noodles are done. Let's take a piece of chicken and some noodles. Wow. Okay, that was really good. And wow, it's got a really strong kick. That is a really good kick from that buffalo sauce in there. I don't even think I need to add this zesty buffalo Chick-fil-A sauce. That has got it's got a good kick. I could probably use a little bit of ranch. So that's really awesome. So wow, this is really good. So I'm going to go ahead and eat a little bit more of this. Don't want to eat anything in my shirt, but man, that is absolutely delicious. So, well, I think I'm going to finish this. I've got to go drive around a little bit more and check a few more things. So anybody, thanks for watching. Please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. And we look forward to the support. And hope you enjoy this quick video. Get out there in the woods and do some cooking yourself. It's a lot of fun. It's great to be out in the fresh air. The weather is just perfect here. It's not too hot. It's a little bit cool. So it's this perfect spring weather. Because, come June, July in the Carolinas, it's going to get hot. But it's perfect weather right now to get out there and do stuff like this. So turkey season's around the corner. Look forward to that. So, well, thanks for watching, and we'll have another video for you soon, everybody. So take care. Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.